Hi, this is Matt. I'm Lori. We're the Swansons with Guardian Roofing.
We understand many homeowners are concerned about the current state of affairs. The team at Guardian has done a lot of research to confirm that residential roofing is an essential service as defined by federal and state guidelines. This is also confirmed on a daily basis by the amount of people that call our office needing help with roofing problems.
As you know, Mother Nature never takes a day off, and neither does your roof. Here in the Pacific Northwest, the Farmer's Almanac is predicting that we're in for a wet and rainy spring, and the recent weather seems to confirm that prediction. So while our community works to adjust to the changes brought on by COVID-19, homeowners throughout the area are finding themselves in the middle of real roofing emergencies. So with our customers in mind, we have taken increased steps to ensure we can continue to serve you while protecting your health and the health of our technicians. So to minimize face-to-face interaction, we have reworked several of our services for your safety and convenience, such as hands-free service, utilizing technology like satellite imagery, virtual consultations, paperless billing, keeping our technicians outside, and first and foremost, following all CDC guidelines.
We also want to protect your pocketbook through financing and deferred payments. Guardian would never suggest spending money that you don't have or taking on unnecessary debt. During the COVID-19, we're finding that most of the clients calling during this time truly need our help. In this case, we know the importance of providing options to keep your home safe and dry without letting you go short of hard-earned cash. We also have the Guardian Protection Plan, which extends the life of your roof through keeping up on routine maintenance, keeps your manufacturer's warranty intact. It also provides pricing concessions for future services. And now for Guardian Protection Plan members, we're providing an additional inspection free of charge when things get closer to normal.
Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. We truly appreciate your support of Guardian and our families during this difficult time. Please give us a call if we can help.
Stay safe.